So finally, a pretty nice trading day overall. I don't know if it's the Janet Yellen trade. Lots of good trades today at the smooth trend. We've not had many days like this where the trend is smooth. And so 60-minute breakout, hit its profit target, got back in again, and it's up on the day 1162.50. This is 212.50. We're watching this from monitoring perspective more than a trading perspective as we do research, testing it with some micros right now, some of the new strategies, and we have a profit target on the new version, so I'm going to show you that as well in a minute. And then adaptive moving average had a bad day yesterday, up 17.50 today, and 60-minute breakout short, almost impossible to short this market. You see this, almost the opposite of this strategy would work. Short stopped out, short stopped out, short stopped out. So either getting short at your stop loss point and setting a profit target at your entry would have worked here. Getting short here, it never did roll over back to this point. Getting short here and then exiting on the entry would have worked on this short trade. And this short trade worked actually, and this was up yesterday, but once again, today short of the low. So this is almost a good long signal now from what we've seen lately. Just the market is has been stealth about its intentions, and then now a pretty smooth uptrend today. So easy day. Maybe we're moving towards patterns that are more favorable. Things are cyclical in the market. Not every day is so extreme. If you look at, say for example, the E-mini S&P, I mean these are extreme price action moments in time. So if you're looking at, you get this spike here up overnight, and then another spike here. You get a spike down, and then a parabolic move up, and then a spike down, reverses to the upside, keeps going to the upside, and then reverses all the way down. Continues to reverse, and then this reverses, and this goes down, and then that's up. I mean it's a lot of up and down. It's very sporadic, choppy, spiky chart. A spiky chart is the word I'm looking for. Spikes, lots of spikes. Look at all these spikes in here. Really, really difficult. Fading these spikes typically works. Not typically, but right now. Yesterday it would have worked, fading all those spikes. You buy that spike down, you short that spike up, you buy that spike down, buy that spike down. This spike up continued, this spike up continued. So fading spikes doesn't always work. Sometimes the market continues to go in the direction of that spike, but not typically lately to the downside. There's never any fast selling that continues, and so a breakout strategy to the short side is one of the worst strategies to trade right now, obviously. And so having this set up in our portfolio for diversity has not been that beneficial lately, and so that's one of the modifications that we're looking at. We're definitely removing that from some of the portfolios. You hate to have such a long bias, but it's so hard to short it. So even Nasdaq, a really nice trade here on the gap continuations. Gap continuation 2019 plus 28.15. Cobra III NQ plus 13.15. Gap continuation 2020 28.15 as well. This one went through a long losing streak where every trade went against us, and it was unbelievable that we couldn't get one trade. We increased the stop loss on that, still couldn't get a winner, even with the bigger stop loss. And today, finally get a smooth trend. So could be a turning point in the cycle of the market between choppy and trendy intraday. Things that you see on the chart, on the daily chart, don't always show up intraday. I don't represent what's happening intraday, so if it might look smooth intraday or smooth on the daily chart, but not smooth on the intraday chart. So stock index swing has a good series of winners here, and 60-minute breakout NQ plus 975 on the day, and tick pulse was up on the day, 3040 on the day. This one struggled, and then it finally came out today and did well. Would have been a good day to trade. Would have been nice to stay with this. Tick pullback, really good day, 39.75. Just mega winners in the NQ today. So really like these trades, plus 575. Tick count trend NQ. And AT 2020 down 2 days in a row, minus 725, minus 725. This one's struggled. Trying to find the trend at the beginning of the day is tricky. And so those are the trades on the NQ. Gold, Cobra Gold minus 625. That was the only trade in gold. Silver, no trades. Crude oil bull market looks pretty strong here. Pretty stealth, pretty slow, and accelerated a little bit today. Got in a little bit late, plus 155 on the conservative and the aggressive crude oil. Optional, we've added this to the optional workspace, the Cobra III 15-minute with the $600 profit target and the one with the $1,400 profit on NQ. And the euro, short profit, long profit. Today, natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades, hasn't done much. We haven't done much with RBOB lately. Soybeans, nice trade on Soybeans Day Trader 3. Soybean swing, no trades today. The most recent trade was yesterday. It exited at the open on a stop loss. And so those are the trades on the day for November the 24th. Looking for potential smoother markets. In the holidays, you tend to get melt-ups, and we're moving towards Thanksgiving, so tomorrow is our last full day of trading this week. I believe, I have to double-check, I believe Thursday's a half day, usually a half day on Thanksgiving Friday, and then Thanksgiving, the futures can be open, but the stock market is closed, so the futures can still be open until around noon. So be sure you check the holiday hours. We have the don't trade on holiday functions and a lot of the strategies, so manage your strategies based on that, and let me know if you have any questions on the holiday or any of these strategies. We're working on research for 2021, and a lot of these strategies that we've picked did well today. I'm going to show you the beta strategies. So beta strategy, 28.15 on gap continuation 2019, plus 17.55 on VSD. Viper, we're just watching that one. We aren't trading at 17.80. We're not really considering it either, is what I meant. Tick Fader was down minus 625. EVP1 was down minus 795. Obviously, the short trades did not work. Beta C, no trades on this one. No trades here yet. PR breakout, 675 on the day. VSD ES plus 1750. 60-minute breakout, plus 1475, and then plus 2380. This still has an open position. Exited, got back in. So those are the trades for the new beta strategies that we're also looking at. So working on the portfolio updates, and then we'll send you the appropriate strategy based on which portfolio you have. And if you have the All Strategy Access, you should have received all of these already. So you have them to trade any of the combinations that you see that I show on these videos. That trades on the day for November the 24th, 2020.